Hello and welcome to PlayTime06. Today we'll be working with page 5. We will be using grids. Do you remember what a grid is? Of course you do. Our grid looks like this. Come on, let's start using our grid. Along the top we are going to write the letters A, B, C. And down the side, we are going to write 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to place our pictures on the grid, just like this. Now, for our first activity, I am going to name some types of things, and I want you to tell me in which square I can find that type of thing. For example, if I were to ask you on which squares can I find things that you can eat, what would your answer be? Well, on square 1C, we have some delicious looking cakes. And cakes are things that you can eat. So square 1C would be a correct answer. Is there any other square on the grid that has things that you can eat placed on it? Square 3B, that's right. What is placed on that square? Well, they look a little like cinnamon buns to me. What do you think? Okay, let's do a few more. On which squares can I find some sort of animal? Well, on square 2A, I can see a horse, 2 cows, and a dog. So 2A contains some animals. I can also see a kitten on square 2C. So those are the 2 squares that have animals on them. Are there any squares that contain spoons? Can you see which ones contain spoons? That's right, square 2B is a square full of spoons. Which other square contains spoons? Can you see? Look hard. Good, square 1A. Square 1A also contains some spoons. Now, we are about to do something a little different. We're about to make our grid smaller, just like this, and place another one by it, just like this. Okay, now we are going to place the numbers 1 to 9 in our first grid, like this. In our second grid, we are going to place the same numbers. Now take a close look at the second grid. We are now about to remove the numbers, like this. Okay, let's see if we can remember where the numbers were placed on the second grid. Where was number 1 placed? Were you thinking here? I think you are right. And where was number 5? Can you remember where number 5 was? Maybe here? Let's see. Good job. Well, that's all we have time for today. Bye for now.